In this video, we will learn how to add symbols to a schematic in KiCad. This is the first crucial step in designing your electronic circuit. Start by opening the schematic editor and then click on Place Symbol button on the right hand toolbar. Or you can simply press the A key on your keyboard. You will see a dialog box called Choose Symbol will appear. This is your component library. Scroll down to the device library, or you can simply type LED or any other component which we require. So in our case, the first component is the LED. So I will type LED in the search bar. And you need to select this LED. After that, you need to click OK. Now you can see the LED is tied to your cursor. But we need to place somewhere in the schematic so that later we can wire this. So I will place this LED by left clicking from the mouse anywhere on the sheet wherever I require. So now you can see the LED is released from my cursor. So that's it. You have placed your first component in the schematic sheet. Now let's add a current limiting resistor. You can type A, or you can go to the right hand side of the toolbar and click on place symbol. Anything is fine. And then in the search, you just type R. So in the device library, you need to select this R symbol, which will represent the symbol for the resistor. Click OK and place the resistor in your schematic. Next, we will add a power source, which is a third symbol. Again, we need to do the same steps. In the search, you can search for battery underscore cell. So in the device library, you can see the component or the symbol battery underscore cell. Now place it on the schematic to complete the LED basic circuit. Now your schematic includes a resistor, a battery, and LED. In the next step, we will wire this component together and label them. But for now, you have successfully learned how to add component to your schematic.